Wow, what a nice compound, what a nice apartment, what a nice ambience. So, selamünaleyküm guys. Welcome to Ozya Projects Türk Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özel. Today I am in our beautiful city of Kocaeli at Kartepe region, and I would like to introduce brand new, definitely luxury apartment project for you. And as you see on the video, this project is ready to move. Also additional, if you are looking for the getting residence permit or getting the Turkish citizenship program, you can evaluate that apartments in these purposes too. I can say that easily. When you're purchasing very nice, very luxurious living area, at the same time, you are making beneficial investment in Turkey too. So, what we have as a general specification for this beautiful apartment project, we have 30,000 square meters project area. On this 30,000 square meters project area, we have 15 blocks and totally 309 luxurious apartments. And when we consider the variation of the apartments, these are starting from the 1+1 up to 4 rooms plus 1 living room, and range of the sizes are starting from the 70 square meters up to 240 square meters. Today, as a sample property, we will show you 3 rooms plus 1 living room, which is coming with 160 square meters gross area inside it. Look at that beautiful environment. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. And before getting inside the property, I have to mention that the region of the Kartepe is one of the most attractive region in city of Kocaeli. Kartepe is meeting place in green, at the same time blue. We have Sapanca Lake, we have really green mountain forest too. At the same time, you can spend really good time in modern nature. So let's discover the interior situation of the sample property together. So when we get inside the property, directly luxury items are welcoming us. You can consider the concept that the property is like semi-furnished because there are already some dressing cabinets are available inside the property, and also you can see the semi-smart house system over here too. And when we consider the heating system of this property, we have central natural gas system which is working under the floor. And as you see on the video, all the materials and the finishing are the first cut. And look at the highness of the ceiling. We have more than 3.5 meters highness for the ceiling. And when we look at the lighting system, we have classical LED lighting system inside each section of the property. This property has its own garden too, and it is regular flat design too. To find that kind of properties in Turkey is really hard. Now we are in such a good sample. So you can access the veranda section from kitchen and the living room, and right over here there is an individual usage area gardens available, and inside the compound there are artificial ponds also available too. So I want to keep it up, I want to show you the kitchen section of the property. And when we reach the kitchen section, the kitchen is coming with some appliances like stovetop, oven and the exhaust. And also when we look at the brand of the appliances, these are Bosch brands. It's very reliable brand in Turkey. It's originally from Germany, and service of that appliances are so strong in Turkey too. And when we keep continue our tour, there are 1, 2, 3 more rooms, common bathroom, laundry rooms are welcoming us. So let's keep it up, and right over here, there is a nice and spacious room for this section is welcoming us, and also you can access the garden from this room too. All the windows are double action, and we have such a wide size windows inside the property too. And when I look the combination of the colors, there is a good combination with the gray and the white color. Directly in front of the room 40 section, we have common bathroom section over here too. All the bathrooms are including that furniture easily, I mean the tap, mirror and cabinet for the bathroom, and we have walk-in shower over here too. And let's keep it up. On the left section, we have another room for kids section over here too, and also this room is including wide size windows too. Of course, the windows are again over here to double action too. There's a nice trick. The highness of the ceiling makes the interior design much more spacious than the regular design too. And directly in front of it, we have laundry room. You can put your washer and dryer easily over here too. And next to it, we are reaching the master room. The master room is coming with the 3 sections: bathroom, dressing room, and the bedroom section. This is the spacious usage area for the dressing cabinet section. Next to it, we have full attached bathroom over here too. And next to dressing cabinet section, we have bedroom section of the master room too. And again, over here, the highness of the ceiling is pretty good too. It was the illustration of this sample property. We have, as I mentioned before, many variations. For more information, do not forget to contact with us. And for the pricing details, please check the description section of the video.